Hey guys, it's Brie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my Boxycharm unboxing. This is the first Boxycharm of this year. I'm surprised. It's the 10th and I never get my box this fast, so I was surprised when I checked the mail today. I did just film like 3 different videos. If you want to see any of those, they will be coming this next week. This is what the box looks like. So right in here you get the card with this month's theme. This is Boxy and Chill. Oh, it's so cute. It's super cute. And then on the back it has all of the products and their prices. Also a couple of coupon codes. So 20% off any $50 purchase on bitebeauty.com. The code is Boxycharm20. And there is free gift with purchase of $75 or more on your first order at Tatcha.com, and the code is Boxy19. So I will put those in the description box and on the screen if you guys want to use those. So I'm just gonna dip right in. Of course, the first thing I see is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. We did get one of these palettes already. Yeah, I think I decluttered it, so I don't have that, but oh my gosh, the packaging is so cute. That is so cute. I love that so much. Okay, so this retails for $36 and it is a very, are those all shimmers? I think all of them are shimmers except for one, and that looks like a satin, but it is a very everyday toned down neutral eyeshadow palette, and I do like Tarte's shimmer shades. I think they're very pretty, and this palette is really pretty. This would be a very good one to travel with. It's very compact, small. Let me swatch some of these. I'll swatch Tiki. Ooh, they feel really nice. Jewel and Treasure. Oh, do you like my little scab right there? I was vacuuming my car and I like scraped my hand on something in my car and now I have like this big scab. Okay, anyways, swatches. Wow. Yeah, see, their shimmers are really pretty. You can barely see Tiki. It's very toned down, neutral. Probably won't show up on your eyes. Those are pretty. Look at those shimmers. Wow. I love getting eyeshadow palettes. I already have too many, but I don't mind. Okay, the next thing I see in here is this Bite Beauty, what is this? Amuse Bouche High Impact Lipstick. So this retails for $26. That is a pricey lipstick. It slides out of its little sleeve. I've never tried anything from Bite Beauty. I don't think I've ever really heard, like I've heard of it, like it sounds familiar, but it's not anything that I remember. So it's a bullet lipstick, matte gray packaging, which is super cute. Whoa, that is a pink. That is super pink. What color is this? This is the shade Dragon Fruit. So, ooh, it's very silky. It just like glided right on. Wow, that's a bright, very, very bright pink. I don't know if I would wear that. So it's supposed to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear. It does feel very creamy and it looks pretty moisturizing. Oh, I'm excited about this. Briogeo, I think that's how you say it. Don't despair, repair, strength and moisture leave-in mask. That's exciting. I like when we get these kind of products in our boxes. I'm very excited about this. This retails for $16. This tiny little bottle. Oh my goodness. So it is super moisturizing and strengthening. It provides reparative benefits and beyond its unique formulation of micro-encapsulated argan oil and an optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin to help promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. Spray throughout freshly washed and damp hair, mid-length to ends, comb through, do not rinse out. air or blow dry. Cool, if my hair was damp, I'd totally spray it on it right now, but I'm excited to try that. I love good hair care products. Okay, and then the next thing is this Luxe Longwear eye pencil. Eyeliners are the worst with their trying to get the freaking plastic off of them. So this is a Longwear eye pencil. What? I was not expecting that color. Like coloring it all over. It's right here. Can you see that? It's pretty. It's just really light. Maybe it'd be very good for like the inner corners to really brighten the eyes. That's odd. This is just a weird look. Just look at that color. That's super weird for an eyeliner. And it's glittery. Like it has shimmer in it. Interesting. I don't know how much I would use that. And then the last thing in here, which I'm really excited about. These are the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Masks. You get 2 of them in here and they retail for $24. So this nourishes skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. I'm very excited. I love testing new face masks out. I do have acne. I have breakouts all the time. I have breakouts right now, super fun. But I love testing new face masks. I have so many. Recently, because my skin has been more dry, I have really been loving super moisturizing sheet masks, which before I never really liked sheet masks. That wasn't my thing. I loved mud masks. I still love mud masks when I feel like my skin is just so dirty and I need a really intense mask to kind of clean it out. But my skin has been dry, so I'm very excited to test these out. I'm so excited about it. Tatcha, I know, is very expensive and they have really nice products. I've never, like, the only thing I have from Tatcha besides these is the Silk Canvas Primer, and I love it. I have a hard time spending a lot of money on like one product, but I'm really excited to test these out. I love the packaging. It's super cute. I love that it came with 2. So I'm really excited to try these ones out. So I just added up everything in this box, and this box is valued at over $120. I know I say this every single time, but if you are not subscribed to Boxycharm yet, I highly suggest you do. You get such a bang for your buck with this box. It's crazy to me. It is a great way to build your collection, to test out products and test out brands you maybe never would have thought about trying. There are multiple products from my Boxycharm from the past 2 years that I'm obsessed with that are amazing and they work so great. I think this box is the best. I look forward to it every single month. Even if you don't like everything in your box, it's still worth the $21 that you pay for it. So I think it is such a great subscription box. I love it. It's my favorite. I just love it so much. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below with some of your favorite standout products that you have received from your Boxycharm. What are your favorites that you used up all the way, that you use every single day, that you went out and repurchased because you got it in your Boxycharm? I would love to know what your guys' favorites are. I thought I would also check out and see if there were any spoilers for February 2019 Boxycharm, and I saw Better Than Sex mascara. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is going to be in the February box. So far, the mascara is the only sneak peek for February that I have seen. If you guys have seen any other sneak peeks for February's box, leave them in the comments down below. Let everyone know. Help us out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I post 3 every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.